Wait, where does Robin work? Does she work late?
Yeah, she works at the institution.
Oh. Where are the fireworks, Seven?
Are those just baby earplugs?
They're like heavy.
Right. Are they baby ones though?
No, they're for everyone.
Oh, you should get the kind that have a string on them so they don't get stuck in the ear. Like the kind that have a string
Oh, that's a good idea.
attached to them.
I didn't even think about